Hello, dear viewers and learners. Assalamu alaikum. How are you doing? Well, hope you are doing best. Welcome to Daily Spoken English Practice. And this is Babul Akhtar is with you. Today we learn some more modal verbs in English grammar. Using these modal verbs, we can make a lot of sentences as you wish. Learning these modal verbs is very important. If you can learn these modal verbs, it will definitely improve your speaking and writing ability. So we learn the modal verbs today. Dear viewers and learners, today I'm going to discuss the use of very important modal verbs like may, might, and can. May, might, and can. How we can make sentences using may, might, and can, we will discuss today. So let's go to the tutorial for today. Today we learn the use of may, might, and can. Use of may. May is used to express permission বা অনুমতি বোঝাতে. May not is used to deny permission, অনুমতি প্রত্যাখ্যান করা বোঝাতে. Like, may I come in, sir? I need leave of absence for tomorrow. Yes, you may. May I come in, sir? I need leave of absence for tomorrow. Yes, you may. May I go home after this work? No, you may not. May I go home after this work? No, you may not. Hello, this is Sami. May I talk with the principal for a while? Hello, this is Sami. May I talk with the principal, sir, for a while? You may come now. You may come now. I may leave the office whenever I want. I may leave the office whenever I want. You may stay at this hotel for tonight. You may stay at this hotel for tonight. A teacher may punish a wicked student when it is necessary. A teacher may punish a wicked student when it is necessary. May I take your pen? Yes, you may. হ্যাঁ, তুমি নিতে পারো. Yes, of course. হ্যাঁ, অবশ্যই পারো. I would rather you didn't. না নিলে বরং ভালো হতো. I'm afraid not. না নিলে বরং ভালো হতো. So we have learned how to deny the permission here. You can say, I would rather you didn't. না নিলে বরং ভালো হতো. Or I'm afraid not. না নিলে বরং ভালো হতো. Have a look on another example. May I use the computer of yours? Yes, you may. হ্যাঁ, তুমি নিতে পারো. Or yes, of course. হ্যাঁ, অবশ্যই. তুমি এটা নিতে পারো, ব্যবহার করতে পারো. If you deny it, then you can say no, you may not. অবশ্য এটা ব্যবহার না করা ভালো. I would rather you didn't. এটা বরং ব্যবহার না করলে ভালো হতো. May is also used to express possibility. It may rain today. আজ বৃষ্টি হতে পারে. She may come after a while. কিছুক্ষণ পর সে আসতে পারে. He may get good marks in the English language. ইংরেজি ভাষায় সে ভালো মার্ক পেতে পারে। May is also used in expressing a wish, like may God bless you, may his soul rest in peace. তার আত্মা শান্তিতে থাকুক। May is used in subordinate clauses that express a purpose. Farmers use fertilizers so that they may have a rich harvest. We eat that we may live. We work hard that we may lead a better life. Farmers use fertilizers so that they may have a rich harvest. We eat that we may live. We work hard that we may lead a better life. Might. Might is the past tense of may in indirect speech. Like he said, I may stand for the oppressed people. He said that he might stand for the oppressed people. Ali said, I may come. Ali said that he might come. Might and may. Might shows less possibility than may. Like it may rain, maybe 50% possibility. It might rain means maybe a 30% possibility. May might for possibility, there are some more examples here, like he may or might come today at the class. Perhaps he will come to the class. She might ask you about the matter. সে হয়তো তোমাকে এ বিষয়ে জিজ্ঞাসা করতে পারে। Perhaps he will ask you about this matter. Robin might join the meeting. Perhaps Robin will join the matter. সম্ভবত রবিন মিটিংয়ে অংশগ্রহণ করতে পারে। প্রেজেন্ট কন্টিনিউয়াস টেন্সের অনুমান বোঝাতে মে মাইট ব্যবহৃত হয়, যেমন she may or might be watching television now. It might be raining outside. You should take umbrella with you. She might be watching television now. It may or might be raining outside. You should take umbrella with you. May might have plus perfect infinitive. They might have heard the name of নজরুল। তারা হয়তো নজরুলের নাম শুনে থাকবে। You might have seen it before. তুমি হয়তো এটা আগে দেখে থাকবে। She might have forgotten the appointment. সে হয়তো অ্যাপয়েন্টমেন্টটি ভুলে থাকতে পারে। The use of can. Can is used to express ability or opportunity, to request or offer permission, to show possibility or impossibility. Have a look on the use of can. Like I can ride a horse. This is ability. We can stay with my brother when we are in London. Opportunity. Students cannot stay out after 10 p.m. Permission. Can you hand me the eraser? Request. Anyone can take this rare opportunity. I can ride a horse. Ability. We can stay with my brother when we are in London. Opportunity. Students cannot stay out after 10 p.m. Permission. Can you hand me the eraser? Request. Anyone can take this rare opportunity. Possibility. So dear viewers and learners, hopefully you have enjoyed this tutorial, and from now on you will be able to use may, might, and can in the sentences. And you'll be able to make many beautiful and attractive sentences using these modal verbs. And for speaking in English, for writing good English, these modal verbs are really essential. I think it will help you a lot to improve your English. So if you might have liked this tutorial, please subscribe this channel and share it to your friends and families. And you can also write comments below my channel. You can express your opinions. Thank you very much to watch it. Bye bye. Khuda Hafiz.